Good morning, everybody. It's the 27th of September. We're having earthquakes happening like crazy this morning. A 5.5 South Sandwich Island. 5.7 South Sandwich Island. USGS recognizes the one. They don't recognize the other. Alright. I've got them at a distance of, let's see, from land. The 5.5 is 7,600 miles from land. The 5.7 is 7,596 miles. They're saying they were both at 6.2 miles in depth. Alright, let's see what we got here. 4.8 Tanja Volcano, Alaska at 6 miles in depth. A 5.1 Indonesia at 31 miles in depth. The Philippines had a 5.0 at 21 miles in depth. The Philippines had a 4.9 at 39 miles in depth. Vanuatu Island had a 4.7 at 116 miles in depth. Iran had a 4.2 at 6 miles in depth. South Sandwich Islands, about 2 hours ago, had a 4.9 at 6 miles in depth. Oklahoma had a 3.1 at 3.8 miles in depth. Idlewood, California had a 2.1 at 0.9 miles in depth. Burgos had a 4.1 at 6 miles in depth. Excuse me. I don't mean to do that in front of you. Greece, southern Greece, had a 5.0 at 6.2 miles in depth. And the Carly Islands just had a 4.8 at 25 miles in depth. Once again, there has been two major quakes in the east of the South Sandwich Islands. One was a 5.5, one was a 5.7, and like I said, I got screenshots. All right, let's go to the west coast here. Hurricane Rosa is a Category 1, going westbound at 12 miles an hour with a sustained wind of 85. Typhoon Trami is moving west-northwest at 9 miles an hour with a sustained wind of 150. It's heading for Japan. East Coast, no, it's the West Coast too. Hey, West Coast has got a tropical storm moving west-northwest at 16 with a sustained wind of 50. It does not have a name at this point, okay? So that's what we got here. And Kirk is still heading. I didn't write Kirk down. I'm sorry, guys. I'll get Kirk's direction here in a little bit. I kept getting distracted with the earthquakes that were happening. Excuse me. I need a smoke. And I'm not advertising for people to go smoke. It's just that I want one. Once again, a 5.5 east of Sandwich Islands and a 5.7 east of the Sandwich Islands. Big ones are happening. God bless. Be safe. Thank you for watching. I'll have a weather report up shortly.